Hello everyone. So in today's lecture we are going to be discussing about fundamentals of organization and its nature, importance and process. So first of all, what is organization? So it is defined by Lewis A. Allen, and as he says, organization is the process of identifying and grouping of the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibilities and authority, and establishing relationships for the purpose of enabling people to work most efficiently. So, now let's move on to the fundamental concept of organization. So over here we have two things. First of all, we have differentiation, and second is integration. So in differentiation, it means that an organization is composed of units that work on specialized tasks using different work methods and requiring employees with unique competencies. So second thing is integration. And integration means that various units must be put together so that work is coordinated, because that's what is the purpose of grouping and then coordinating with each other to make things work better. So next we have is nature of organization. So over here, first thing is group of persons. An organization is a group of person or people working together for the achievement of common objective. The group may be large or small. An organization is a system of cooperative relationships of two or more persons. Second is common objectives. Every organization has a common objective, distinct from personal objectives of the members. The common goal is the basis of cooperation among the members. The objective of the organization are usually made explicit. Next is division of work. An organization comes into existence when the total task is divided into the members of the groups. Division of the work is necessary not only because one individual cannot do all the work, but specialization results in efficiency and effectiveness. So this is the main purpose of dividing the work, because we want our work to be more effectively performed and to be more efficiently performed. So next thing is cooperative efforts. The members of an organization are willing to help each other for the achievement of the desired goals. Cooperative relationships are then stabilized both vertically and horizontally among different units of the organization. So next we have communication. People who form an organization communicates with each other in order to integrate or coordinate their efforts. Communication is the key in the organization basically. So the structure must be such that people can perform together efficiently. Next thing is central authority. In an organization, there is a central directing authority which control the concerted efforts of the group. The chain of authority responsibility relationship is also known as chain of command, because they are commanding in the organization. So next we have is rule and regulations. For the orderly and systematic working of the members, rule and regulations are laid down and enforced by the central authority. Next we have is dynamic elements. An organization is not a mere mechanical structure, but a living organization arising out of the sentiments, attitude and behavior of the people. The people are the material of construction that hold the structure together and gives it a vitality. So next we have is what is the importance of organization, or what is the importance of organizing things. So over here, first of all, we have facilitates administration. So if you are organizing things, what it does is that it facilitates administration. So, achievement of the objectives of an enterprise by providing a framework of coordination and control, it provides a system of authority and network for effective communication. Individual goals can be coordinated towards group goals. A properly balanced organization facilitates both management and operation of the enterprise. Okay, next we have is encourages the growth and diversification. It has enabled organizations to grow and expand to giant sizes. A systematic division of work and consistent delegation of authority facilitate taking up of new activities and meetings new demands. It provides flexibility for growth without losing control over various activities. So, next is optimum use of new technology. It has made through a sound structure manned with competent employees. In addition, optimum use of technology permits optimum utilization of human resources. Sound organization ensure that every individual is placed on the job for which one is best suited. This is the main objective, that every individual should be placed on a job for which he or she is best suited for. So next is stimulates innovative and creativity. It stimulates creative thinking and initiative on the part of employee. It provides for effective management of change and respond favorably to changes in environment. It provides recognition for the professional and specialist in the term of in term of their achievement. So next is encourage good human relation. The importance of organization is that it encourages human resources. So the assignment of right job to the right person improve job satisfaction and interpersonal relations. Well defined job and clear line of authority and responsibilities ensure good human relations. It also ensures continuity of enterprise. It provides scope of the training and development of future management. It provides avenue for development and promotions through delegation and decentralization. And the next is coordination. It facilitates order and cohesiveness in the enterprise. Division of labor, better utility of technology, and human talent help to improve the uh, efficiency and quality of work. Clear channels of communication among the members of the organization lead to coordination. So next we have the process of organization or process how to organize. So first of all, we have identification of activities. Second is grouping of activities. And the third one is assignment of duties. And the fourth one is delegation of authority. So first of all, identification of activities. First step is to determine the tasks that must be performed to achieve the established objectives. Activities and jobs are building blocks of any organization. The activities to be performed depending upon the objective nature and size of the enterprise. The next is the grouping of activities. The various activities are grouped into departments or division according to similarity or common purpose. Such grouping is necessary for the purpose of specialization, coordination, and the control. It may be grouped on various bases, for example, functions, products, territories, and customers, etc., depending on requirement. So the next is assignment of duties. Groups of activities or departments are then allotted to different positions. Every position is occupied by individual best suited for it. The assignments of activities creates responsibility and ensure certainty of work performance. Performance, the process should be carried down to the lowest levels. It is basically done to avoid duplication of the work and overlapping efforts, right? Like you want one specific thing to be done by one specific individual. You do not want various individuals doing the same thing. Okay, next is delegation of the authority. Every individual is given the authority required to carry out the responsibility assigned to him. A chain of command is created through successive delegation of authority. Different positions are linked vertically and horizontally by establishing formal authority. Every individual must know to whom he is accountable and who is his subordinate. Like every person should know who is going to be taking care of what he is doing. Similarly, if he has some subordinate, he should be taking care of or taking responsibility for everything they are doing. So, this was all about it. Thank you very much.